Hey friends, if you wish to remove the duplicate drive letter from Windows File Explorer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now I'll show you something. So if you open File Explorer and go to this PC, you'll notice that there is something called as USB drive, E drive. Now even if I pluck out the USB drive, the E drive option will still remain here, which is just a ghost entry. So if you encounter this issue, usually it won't be a problem, just ignore it. But if you really want to remove the duplicate drive letter, then please watch this video. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on registry editor. Go to HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, desktop, namespace, delegate folders. One of its subkeys will be F5 FB2C77. Okay, all you need to do is right click on it and then select delete. Now I won't click on delete because I have an actual USB here. Once you delete it, reboot your system and the drive letter will be gone. But honestly, it doesn't really make any difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.